Swapcase in Python is a Python string method that changes every lowercase character to uppercase and every uppercase character to lowercase. Given that, I have a bit of a pop quiz for you. True or false, swapcase always returns the original string if called twice. The answer, which might surprise you, ends up being false. Stick around till the end to find out why. Swapcase returns a new string instance, so if you want to modify this a string variable that holds high to be uppercase, you'd have to do a equals a.swapcase. You'd do the same thing if high was all uppercase to lowercase it. You'd simply do a equals a.swapcase. Back to that pop quiz, it seems illogical that calling swapcase on this uppercase high twice wouldn't result in it being all caps high. You'd be right, that is illogical. The key word in that pop quiz was always. Most of the time, calling swapcase twice does result in the original string, but sometimes it doesn't. Take, for example, the German sharp S. Python considers the German sharp S to be lowercase, so swapcase makes the sharp S uppercase. But in this casing process, the sharp S just gets converted to two capital S's. Meaning, in this case, once you've converted a sharp S out of its original form of swapcase, there's no way to get it back. I'm sure this is true with other letters in other languages, but I'm not bilingual, so I couldn't tell you. Like to learn more.